Here, do me a favor. Ibra, go to the most recent day. Go to the most recent day, swipe incomplete, and swipe complete and recomplete your most recent day. That should fix this automatically. Swoka, if you kill your app and if you close your app and then reopen it and log in as Apple, I think it'll work. Bro, we're getting owned by this freaking bug. Yeah, it fixed it. Okay. So finally something that I didn't have to manually intervene with. Guys, we're getting absolutely owned by this bug right now. I don't know what is going on with it either. I'll never know. It's so Swoka, what happened there unfortunately is you tried to log in while the server was down. So you successfully authenticated to the app and then it tried to talk to the server and it couldn't and it just shit the bed. Do the tiers affect the way data is collected? I mean, I'm sure in some manifestation that's a true statement, you talk. How do I repro this? I can't repro it. It's annoying. Optionally adding badge. Optionally adding the badge again. Why in the hell is it adding the same badge twice? Oh, this is Ibra, by the way. This is Ibra. Setting longest habit streak to 24. That's the idea, Yutank. I just can't see where. Like, what is causing this? Planned day event received. Where? From where? Where did you get a planned day event received? I don't see any update coming in. You know what? I have an idea. I have an idea. Are you ready for my idea? This feels like I broke it. I think I have to take the blame for this one. Yeah, I think I have to be guys, look, I'm going to man up and be responsible for this bug. Okay? I think it's when I run these custom scripts. I think it's when I run these custom scripts, it's causing race conditions that crash the server. Like, let's try it again. Yeah, that's probably because it was adding it against the 31st. It was adding it against the 31st, which probably didn't exist. Maybe it's a client side bug. I don't know. I just don't know. Somehow the 31st was sneaking in there, and we'll never know how. No, my theory is it was the 31st. Somehow it got added in there, and then whenever it queried to find the 31st, it would search for the 31st and it would return the first one found. Now that I've removed the bad one, it's finding the right one. You hope it doesn't add it to June 31st. No, it won't. It won't. You're good now. It's a one time bug. It's a one time bug. The bug's gone now. I do have an interesting theory. Today's a day of gaming. Not a bad day. Not a bad day. All right. Oh, guys, we were supposed to write software today. Oh, how annoying. How annoying. Am I right, guys? Update all badges for all users. We'll see if I can can the server by doing this. I wonder. So I think what I'm doing, I think somewhere on the client side, I'm literally adding one to the day. And it's not an actual day that exists. I don't know where the code is. That's the problem. I do it in like 12 places. So it's almost not worth exploring each. The amount of time. Yo, Crooked Playing, sorry to bother you. I wanted to offer you promotions. Dude, thank you so much for looking out for me like that. Thank you. Okay, so this ain't breaking it. This ain't breaking it. I believe, guys, I believe with all my heart it's a race condition. I believe, guys, the tutorial was supposed to be done today because I was supposed to release ads to the wild today, but I'm not releasing ads to the wild until I'm not adding ads until the tutorial's done, and I can't add the tutorial until the app works. See what I mean? We're in a world of hurt. We're in a world of hurt right now. We're in a world of hurt. No, I don't think. I don't know, dude. Guys. I don't know. I thought I had an idea, but then I realized I don't. Where'd that freaking crash go? There it is. How could this be happening, guys? I just don't get it, okay? Well, there's a couple of interesting points here, guys. First of all, no planned days are like there's no planned day updates that are coming. Oh, wait, what's this? All right. What could have happened that caused this thing to get fired twice? It's the same behavior every time. Optionally adding habit streak, and then it botches. I don't get it. All right, let me try that, Swolka. Let me try that. BGL, let's go. Welcome in. Okay, let me try that, Swolka. They're within the same second. They're within the same second. The same second. It's a race condition. If it's not a race condition, then I don't know nothing. It's a race condition. Wait a minute. This don't look right. Move. Well, then it comes in here and it says adding badge. And then it shits itself because it said, oh, I already added that badge. It's the world's most challenging race condition. It's the world's most challenging race condition. We only have one log for removing the habit streak tier badge. No, we do have a second one. All right, Swoka, I'm losing my hair too for what it's worth, so don't feel too bad. It's a race condition. God will never know. It only removes it once. So look, this, I feel like, okay, look. Planned day event received. Planned day event received. Planned day. What's a planned day event received? Planned day event received. Yo, what's good, Sumit? Welcome in. All right, so somehow we're updating this thing, this planned day. I have a potential theory. Oh, here we go. Potential theory. Incoming potential theory. No dice there. Crash, damn you. Crash, damn you. You must crash. You must crash. Yeah! I'm the number one crasher there is. I'm the number one crasher there is. I'm the number one crash there is. Please be a unique constraint. Please be a unique constraint. Delete. It's a different crash. It's a different crash. Oh, it's a different crash. Please. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Unique constraint. Unique constraint. Unique. I'm the greatest app crasher you've ever seen. I'm the greatest app crasher you've ever seen. Here's what it is. Here's what it is. Here's what it is. It's updating. If you go back to a day and that's just what it is. If you spam it, um, it will uh try to add the same badge twice. So we know what the problem is. We proved it. That was the most important part. Now let's see what it looks like to fix this because that's actually a non-trivial thing to fix if you think about it. Huh? How can you tell? How can I tell what? Oh. Well, the problem is this is supposed to be dude, I know this is Eve. Well, I got one on a delete, which was weird. So the thing is, you can technically get 100 of these in a row. Mine, you could technically get 100 of these in a row. I think I have a better idea. The sun is up in the U. Oh God, look at my background. Yikes. Return me to the cave. Return me to the cave. Okay. So what's happening is we're getting many, many calls in a row. And they're not smart because they're fighting with each other. How do you solve that? Maybe we need another event and we need another asynchronous event. I don't need the stack trace. I know what the bug is. 10 of them are 10 requests come in at the same time. And so how would I fix this in non-JavaScript? I think what I would do is this, guys. I don't know how to guarantee the most recent one that comes in is the one that wins. That I don't know. I don't know how to do that. I almost feel like you need like an event queue. Is that a thing, guys? Do people have like in Node apps? Is there such a thing as like a queue of tasks? So you just add it to the queue and then it walks through them. Is that a thing? Bowl MQ, is that a good? Is that a common solution or is that am I overthinking this? It's standard. That's true, Ibra. We got you. Someone's got to be in the hot seat. All right, Bowl MQ. So, Donnie, in your expertise, would you say this is the solution? So, listen, so somebody can come in like this. Watch, someone can come in like this and do this, and it's queuing up all these events in my app. And the problem is, by the time the server goes to work on them, the we're hitting race conditions. They'll both do a query and they'll be like, "Hey, do I need to remove the badge?" Yes, I do. The first one will remove the badge. The second one goes to remove the badge, and the second one goes, "Oh crap, there's nothing to remove." I throw an exception. The correct thing, I think, would be just queue it up. The quicker solution, which is probably the one we should do, is just wrap it in a try catch. But then that's just bootleg. Let's see how easy this is to add. It could be easy, it could be hard. Oh, if the queue existed before, it will pick it up and wait, does that mean it detects for duplicates, Donnie? Donnie, does this thing detect for duplicates? This definitely feels like what I want, but it feels like a lot of work. This feels like this feels better than my event system, which makes me sad because I spent a lot of time on that event system. I suppose the event system can ultimately just add the job to the queue. So I don't think it's all lost. It's just mostly lost. No, the event system, if I were to implement this, the event system goes away. This is the event system. How do I handle the job? A worker. What in the hell is a worker? Oh, God. This is the correct solution. The question is, am I about to spend all my time implementing a freaking job queue? I don't think so. So, what are our other options for now? Like, I want to do that, but not today. Not today. I got to get tutorials out. I got to get ads running. We've got so much to do. I don't have time to implement that. Yeah, that would have been a good one to learn, which I still don't want to set up for what it's worth. That feels like a lot of work. Hmm. I wonder if there's a way I can basically do what they're doing myself. How could I check for concurrency, guys? Huh. A board controller on the client. No, I think it has to be on the actual events because those are valid things the user's doing. They're valid, but how? But okay, so two events come in with the same key. How can I detect that? Same base, same. I don't know how to do it in JavaScript. Yeah, I don't know what that is. What if you just not send an event to the server until the slider? No, it's the problem is all the sliding events on the client are valid. And that's just one way to reproduce this. There's other ways to reproduce this in different areas. The problem is we have an event coming in and I need to detect duplicates and say, wait, 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 we're already doing this. Chill. I don't know. Hmm. Hmm. Let's see what ChatGPT has to say. And don't tell me to use BullMQ ChatGPT. I don't want to. I don't want to yet. In Node, I have an event system that listens that I have dispatchers, listeners, I have a dispatcher, listener, and a handler. The dispatcher announces when an event is has happened and we want to handle it. The listener, we dispatch the event to prevent from um, blocking execution of the current event and run the dispatched event in a different I'm not sure what it's called. It's not a thread. In a different I don't know. Event, whatever. Different execution. I don't know what it's called. The handler listens for the dispatched event and calls the handler where the actual work is done. The problem I am facing is that two identical valid events can be dispatched at roughly the same time from two different requests, and this ultimately leads to the handler running its code at the exact same time. This is causing a race condition and causing issues. I would like to either. You're gonna do the plank and take a walk. Good luck, my guy. Good luck, Ibra. I'm not looking forward to the planks, dude. I would like to either run these one at a time or detect that they're the same and omit one. 13 minutes, bro. Here is the code. Okay, guys, I'm giving ChatGPT. I can't copy the code. Oh, this is just horrible. I gotta go to GitHub and find it. It's my only way to do this. Source. Let me search. Can I search this thing? I can only copy from. So let's do. Thank you, Donnie. Like event handler. Cool. No, let's start with a dispatcher. Give me something nice and easy. Copy. Dispatcher. Okay. So then that's going to go to the user property listener. Handler. Oh, great. It's a dead code. That's okay. I can fake it. Key event. We'll call the user property, I don't know, data. Run async, run code. Okay. Bring it home, baby. Bring it home. Bring it home. To handle the race condition, you can use a locking mechanism to ensure that only one instance of the handler runs at a time for a particular event. One way to achieve this node by is a lock or a queue. You can solve this by using bool mq. Just kidding, that's not what it says. Hey, look at that. Nice. Unchanged. Locks. Whoa. Have you guys ever heard of this before? Foxtrot, what's good, my guy? Welcome. Lurk on, my friend. Aussie boy, how you doing? Guys, have you ever heard of the using a lock? Is this a hack or is this common? Okay, let me check, Donnie. So you're making a new set. Is that what they're doing? So you both are making a new set. But but there's a race condition on adding to that set. So if they both set is always unique, but they can both check at the same time. No, but it's single threaded, so that could never actually happen, right? Since this is single threaded, one of these are guaranteed to happen first. Is that correct? Sounds reasonable. Wow, all right. Is this a hack or is this a valid solution? It could still how could it still happen? If JavaScript is asynchronous and they both are coming in at the same time, one has to get in before the other. Is Node asynchronous? I have no idea. I don't know anything anymore. Is Node async? Wait, Node is async. Sorry, I meant to say, is it, how many threads does Node have? That's what I meant to say. Single thread. Perfect. So if it's a single thread, The way I'm seeing this, maybe I'm crazy. The way I'm seeing this is they're both going to enter. Well, one's going to get in before the other because it's a single thread. It's going to add to the set, and the other one's not going to get in. Then that's amazing. Um, this seems like a very reasonable, um, very reasonable. Let's look at the event. Do you think I can just pass? Date time might change. So yeah, date time might change. So I think I'm going to do user ID, habit ID. User ID, habit ID. Nice. So I can do this for all of these. I don't know how to do that because they come in asynchronously. Yo, Dental, let's go. Bro, I love to see you hammering the app, dude. It's making me proud. Making me proud. I needed to take all fields. Like, I don't know what this thing's doing. Take every field you can. Bruh. Yes, thank you. Now it sees what it needs to do. I don't think we'll need the name of the event because I'm going to give each method its own set. So that should be that should solve the same thing. All right, let's get it, guys. Here we go. Hmm? Active on created Okay, then Donnie has me doing this. If I know this is wrong, but I like to use this anyway. If this, I can't believe Donnie cooked up what ChatGPT said. I would like to use event, but I'm afraid the context date could technically be different and it's going to shit the bed. That's what I'm afraid of. All right, so const event key. Add a decorator. I unfortunately don't know what a decorator is, dude. So Strong, the idea is these of the same events coming in twice when we actually only want it to run once. But it's getting in there twice and it's causing bad behaviors we don't want. I would like to make this a class. It's the swipe motion. How do I make this a class? There. Because then I can do this. No worries, dude. Then I can just say event.get key. Okay. Oh no, hold on. Nice. Guys, you see us cooking a class here? No. No, you know your event. You are the event. The hell, bruh? How long have I been developing this app? 2.5 years, dude. Been cooking it for quite some time. We've habits, so success would be a subclass of habit. No. Success could be a field on habit. Okay, there's cooked. This is gonna cost oh god. I don't know why I do this to myself, guys. This is gonna be so brutal, I think. Because now I gotta go to every single handler. Okay, we should be close. Okay, last one. You love constructors? I do too, for the record. I do too, for the record. I'm not like the most upset at this. I'm just medium upset at it. I'm just a little bit upset at it. So now let's who creates these? The listeners do. If I was good at Vim, guys, I would open this in a um I would open this in a quick fix list, but I don't know how. Oh, this already so it's the dispatchers who create the event. Wish me luck here, guys. New. That wasn't so bad. Okay. All right, Diane, give me 1 second here. Listener. Dispatcher. So this. Weird. New. Cooked. Okay. All right, let's see what Donnie's saying quick. Please don't be scary. Please don't be scary. Please don't be scary. Please don't be scary. Is anybody else scared? Or is it just me? All right. This is too cooked for me. This is too cooked for me, dude. I want to try to get this thing working and then learn what this is. Because this looks like this is definitely the way to do it. And to be honest, I might even be able to reuse code. Because the logic's going to be the exact same. It's event.getKey. So I might be able to define lock event once. I might be able to call lock event once or define it once and use it for every single handler method, which would be insane to be honest. That's actually almost so insane. I might do it. That's how insane that is. I might do it. Okay, let's keep cooking. Thanks for sharing that. We're gonna try to get this thing on track and then see if we can get something like that going. Dispatcher. So we cooked this one. We cooked this one. Why do we call this type? It's an event. Okay. Yeah, guys, that ain't the first time Donnie's cooked a solution. That ain't the first time. I mean, we're literally cooking his solution right here. This is just his solution before his new solution. I like this. I can't believe I call these things type. That's so weird. Dude, this is kind of like a creepy song. Like a Halloween song or something. This is like a what the hell's their names? This is like a Stranger Things song. Yo, DM Barry. Heyo, fun fact today. Did you know that the guy who invented the Ferris wheel and the guy who invented the merry-go-round never met? That is not fun. That is sad. They traveled in different circles. Facts, dude. Facts. No, that's really sad. I'm heartbroken over that. They deserved to meet. They deserved to meet. Thanks for sharing that and welcome in, my friend. Love the energy. New cooked dispatcher. Yeah, guys, put a one in the chat. Put a one in the chat if you like to use object orientation and classes in JavaScript. Put a one in the chat. Who out there's with me? Don't leave me alone, guys. Don't leave me alone. Dental, let's go. I got some parent classes going on. Guys, without Copilot, this would be taking me so long. Telling you, man. I'm a number one Copilot fan. I just type the word new and then I type tab. And then the rest just comes out. New. New. Boom. You just like that TypeScript still can't infer types from parent classes or interfaces. I haven't ran into that, and that sounds annoying. Anytime you can't infer. Although I am generally pretty explicit. New. Do you do new? No. New. Down, 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 down. Cook. The hell's the notification event? Oh, that's funny. Type. Type. I renamed it on accident. Nope, don't listen to that command. Type. Cooked. Dispatch. New. New user created. LFG. Welcome in, new user. We couldn't be happier to have you. I hope you create your first habit. We're working on a tutorial island, despite what this looks like. I'm typing a lot of code for a bit of code that I haven't actually tested works yet. Pray for me, guys. Pray for me. It'll probably work. All right, cool. Start server. Let's see if she starts. Come on, baby. Don't do me dirty. Good. Okay, great. Now that she starts, we go to the different handlers. We're going to start with the planned we'll just start at the top. I don't know. Doesn't matter. Nah, let's go back to my planned handler here. Yes, this is sick. So watch. Now I can do event.getKey and it just returns that thing. Isn't that sick? Okay, now we gotta go back to Donnie's code. Add. Oh God, Donnie. I guess I gotta put these in promises, don't I? It ain't the end of the world. I can do it like that. It's annoying. Can I do this? Someone told me on static you're not actually supposed to be able to say this, but I don't care. No, these ones do not have to happen in order. Wait, do they? No. Don't think so. No, well, but let me put it this way. They weren't happening in order today anyway. So if they did, that's a different bug. But I'm pretty sure they don't, and I don't have the mental capacity to reason through that. Well, this just made my simple handlers a little bit more involved, but that's not the end of the world. Ah, thank you. Oh, dude, that actually probably would have burned me because I don't think I would have. Oh wait. Um, come on. Boom. All right, so that's it, guys. Shrey, what's good? Welcome in. Donnie, thank you for helping me through that, dude. That was a good recommendation. Funny enough, I haven't even tested it yet, but I'm pretty confident that it's gonna work. I just gotta go to every single handler and do this, which is kind of annoying. But it is what it is, isn't it? Right? Exactly. No. Nope, I signed off on it. All right, Donnie, can I one of you guys talk about object orientation? Can I use some sort of super class to solve this so I don't have a bunch of duplication? I know Donnie did the decorator. Yeah, that's what I said, Shrey. That's what I said. That's how we do it. I don't think within reason. Okay, this class doesn't even do anything, bro. What's your beef with going super class? Cuz my code will be too supered up. Active on active on the refresh events. Shrey, how do you like this blocking event queue we have going on here? Uh-oh. Well, I actually don't know why you don't like the super class. What's why? Yeah, why don't you like it? Unupdated events. Hey, I'm already awaiting this one. Dope. Yeah, or anybody. I was asking you, Shrey. Why is are superclasses frowned upon? On joined. On left. Uncompleted. Thank you so much for all of your kind work there. What? Privateer. Well, I'm hoping Shrey's typing an absolute essay here. Don't worry, Donnie. I see the awaits I'm not doing. Weird coupling. Base classes turn into pieces of shit fast. Hard to understand what's going on. Hard to test. Hard to maintain in general. You mean based? No, you mean based classes. I know what you meant. Inheritance is super easy to misuse. Will end up with a disaster. I didn't know that, dude. I didn't know people felt that way about that. I really didn't. Shrey, sometimes I use inheritance to rename a class. Sometimes I use inheritance to rename a class without actually renaming it. Isn't that genius? oh yeah, oh yeah. Because it was a huge overtaking, including all the active pull requests out there to actually rename it. I just said from here on forward we're using the superclass, and then I said one day we'll move it over. It was in Java, and for what it's worth, there probably was a solution. I just don't know what it is. So that's what I did, and it's very prominent in my company's code base. Okay, handler. Active on created events. Const key. Cooked. Handler. Oh man, we got a big one, guys. We got a big one. Uncreated. We got a big one, guys. Hopefully this thing can tab complete nice and easy for me. I see the missing awaits. I see the missing awaits. Thank you guys. And if you didn't warn me, you should have. Hey there, even async. They must have known this change was coming. Cooked. No, 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 no. This why does it? What I don't know. Good question. Good question. I kind of wanted that myself, Steve-O. But I'm not gonna look too deep to this. This looks like C sharp. No, 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 no. This looks like Java. This looks like Java. This looks like Java. That's the prank. That's a prank. C sharp and Java are the same thing. What a prank. What a prank. Uncreated. Hell yeah. Dude, these songs, I don't know what this playlist became. Dude, I feel like I'm in like a haunted movie. I'm not hating it for the record. Microsoft Java. Exactly. Exactly. Handler. Okay, did I get them all, guys? Event, 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 event. We're we're done. We're done. Should I deploy it and see if it works? Or should I test it locally? Probably should test it locally. Uh-oh. I suppose I'll test it locally, guys. Why do we have the most haunted song in the world on? Hmm. If all the functions are static, why not drop the class? Because then I would have to wrap them in a namespace. So I don't know what the underlying differences between a namespace and a class are. Like if there's performance hits or I don't actually know the difference. But I have namespaces all over the place for the record, Trey. Look. Look at these namespaces. I'm not afraid of ripping a namespace. First time at your stream. I'm grateful to have you here. Welcome. You want to see if my server change worked? We're going to go to this test account. Why use namespace? So I don't just have random functions sitting in the code base. I don't like random functions floating in a code base. right? Like if I export, if I go to somewhere and well, imagine if I did this. This is what you're basically insisting. Imagine if I did this. You want me to do this. I know what you want me to do. You're wondering why don't I just do this? Um, export const. I know what you want me to do. I know your type. I know your type. Imagine, imagine. Could you imagine being in a different file and calling a magical floating on created that you don't know where it lives? Could you even imagine that, dude? Seriously. Wouldn't that be insane? Wouldn't that be absolutely insane? Yeah, I'm not importing as notifications. That's not a bad idea, honestly. That's not a bad idea, honestly. Import the whole file. I suppose there's multiple ways to skin a cat. Am I right, guys? What's bad with my solution? Why don't I ask you that? What are the cons? What are the cons of my solution? I love mine. Aww. Yeah, I don't have that. I don't have that account. Here we go, guys. Can we get a guys? I need a 1 in the chat if you think I'll get a repro. I need a 2 in the chat if you think we're not even going to see the repro. 1 in the chat if we'll get the repro. 2 in the chat if we're not even going to get the repro. Holy logs, bruh. Why is it that bad? Holy logs, dude. Um, I need to figure out what. Why I got so many logs, man? All right, let me try this again. I want to put a debugger in here, guys. Planned habit event. Watch this. Watch this. Planned habit handler. Watch this. Debugger started. I got a debugger right here. So if I reproduce this, we hit the breakpoint. If I I'm gonna ignore that junior message you just sent. Imagine thinking a debugger is for junior developers, and you're over there console logging like a freaking absolute noob. Okay, I'm not getting the repro. I'm not getting the repro. That's unfortunate. I don't think I can go fast enough. I don't think I can go fast enough, so let me do it on my phone. What up, Louie? How we doing? I don't think I can do it fast enough on the emulator. I hope we just didn't spend an hour and a half wasting time. Have you guys ever spent an hour and a half wasting time before? It's not fun. How is this haunted song still on? I'll never know. All right, here we go, guys, for the repro. To the haunted song. To the haunted song. Oh god, dude, this is impossible. Okay, I'm actually turning this shit off, bro. I'm sorry, dude. This shit is actually haunted. Like I just heard someone scream. I'm not having people scream. Like screaming's where I draw the limit. Okay, I can't get the bug to repro. Turns out there was never a bug in the first place, guys. There was never a bug in the first place. There was no bug. Our only way to repro this is to push it to production. Our only way to repro this is to push it to production and see if I can repro it in production. It's the only way. Okay, she's pushing to production now. Well, no, I put a breakpoint in this log here. So I would have expected to have hit this breakpoint. Oh, I'm an idiot. Okay, we're not all hope isn't lost yet. Already processing, Donnie. 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 Already processing, Donnie. We absolutely cooked the goose, guys. We absolutely cooked the goose, guys. Did you see that? Already processing. Is it quiet? Let me see if it's quiet. I don't believe you. I don't believe you. I don't believe him. Let me see if it's quiet, guys. Let me throw my own stream. Let's put on my own stream. Testing, testing, testing. Hi, my name is the Dev Dad. I like cooking. I don't hear anything. Why can't I hear my own stream? My channel. Stream. Oh, bro. It's so loud. It scared me. It's so loud. It scared me. Is that a prank? The volume was so loud I got startled by it. How do I kill this thing? Then the soundbar's doing some crazy shit, dude. Because I just used a basic phone and it was so loud I got startled. I had to take a step back. Yo, Oikura, what's good? Am I familiar with user roles and permissions? Yes, I am. We just worked on them today. We just worked on them today. What may I answer for you? What may I give you the answer of? Bro, I don't know what to tell you. I just turned on the stream and the music is very loud and in charge. I don't know what to tell you. I just turned on the stream and the music is very loud and in charge. Can you hear it through my phone? Okay. Anyway, dude, oh man. I don't know if I can give you a guide on user roles and permissions. What do I gotta tell you, dude? I don't know if I can tell you anything. You want them. You want them. But I would probably just store them in the database. No, you can put them in the JWT. I don't know. Don't ask me. I don't know anything. I just implemented them and they like fake work. All right, let's check out the logs, guys. Now this music's good. Whoever put this song on, which I'm pretty sure was me, this is a really good tune. Crud. See, this is kind of like battle music. You know what I mean? No, that's not true. The JWT is not insecure. It's hashed. JWT is hashed. JWT's hashed. Okay, here we go. Production mode, baby. Something happened to the freaking tail here, dude. Sorry, it's checksummed. It's checksummed. JWT's checksummed. It's signed. The JWT's signed. The JWT's signed. What I don't know what term it is, dude, but it. Believe me, the JWT, Shrey. If you and I could break the JWT, people would be in a bad, bad, bad place. Let me put it that way. The whole world uses JWTs. Okay, here we go. For the repro in production. I don't know what that means, dude. I actually don't. There it is, Donnie. Donnie, are you still with me? Donnie, are you still with me? I'm so glad I didn't use the token because the context because it goes down to the freaking millisecond. Already processing. I mean, I'm not a DJ's channel. You know what I mean? I'm a programming channel. The music's not going to be as loud as it is a DJ. Okay, I got to get rid of the damn logs. How did I get those logs back in there? Guys, we're about to work on the tutorial. It took us all day to get there. It took us all freaking day to get here. And we can finally go back to Tutorial Island. I want to give a special shout out to Donnie for helping me there. Donnie, that really helped. Donnie fixed the bug. Bro. Bro, you've been taking care of a cuckoo bird chick? I gotta look that up. I gotta look that up, dude. Amazing. Wait, why is the baby bigger than the mom? Why is the baby bro, is this dude, bro. Bro, is this a prank? Why is the baby bigger than the mom? Is this a prank? What in the hell is going on here? I gotta research that on my own time. That's very interesting. Okay. Something tells me I didn't save a file. What? That seems like a good thing to do, probably. I don't know what that is. How do we? Shrey. I am Shrey. Here's what I got for you. Shrey, I don't know much. I use a debugger, so that tells you my level of skills when it comes to using computers. But I can tell you this much. The JWT is bad if you use it wrong. That's true for a lot of things in life. Guns, alcohol, motor vehicles, other things. Dude, Chad, I gotta research that. I gotta research that. All right, guys. I don't know where these logs are coming from, but they're bothering me. Oh, you wouldn't believe it, guys. You wouldn't believe it. You wouldn't believe it if I told you. I'm reading the logs. Somebody, likely watching the stream, just deleted their account. I've never seen that in my logs. We hate to see you go, bro. We hate to see you go. Let it go ahead, shoot me a DM if you want to tell me why the app wasn't up to your standards. That's harsh, dude. That one hurts, man. Other things mentioned. Dude, that one's harsh. That one hurt. That one zung me a little bit. That one gave me a little bit of a zing. All right. What am I doing here? I got the world's most annoying logs I'm trying to get rid of. I've almost never deleted my account. I can't believe someone deleted it. Like even on apps, I don't delete my account. I just delete the app. Maybe I should be deleting my account. Like that's like harsh. I saw it. Oh, I'm gonna be upset if you delete your account, bro. You're too, bro. You're too deep into it. Now, you're too involved in this community to not have an Embedder account, dude. You're stuck here with us. You fixed half our bugs. What are you gonna delete your account? You are the account. Moving logs. Exalo, you're a freaking genius. You're a freaking genius. Uh-oh. I got two to-dos here. How on earth could I have two to-dos back to back? Hey, I got a new user. Let's go. You made up for the guy who deleted their account. You made up for it. Glad to have you. Hope you achieve your wildest dreams with us. Go check out the challenges. The challenges. Any new users today? Challenges started today, by the way. Let's go look at them. Let's go look at them. Oh, my server's down. Here we go. You're right. You're right. Yo, Trome, glad to have ya. Challenges, guys. Check them out. Quest to 50 kms. Easy. Silent steps. I'm very excited about this one. That's going to be a tough one for me. I'm going to go on 14 runs with no... I almost can't. I think I might just have to fail this one because I'm trying to read my audiobook. Akira, you just missed it. Akira, you just missed it. Someone deleted their account. I was watching the live logs, and as I was watching the logs, trying to fix the bug, which I fixed, by the way, thanks to Donnie, we now use an event lock. Observe. Another new user. Let's go. Guys, we are shoving it in the face of that person who deleted their account. We are kicking their butt now. Anyway, we use a lock, a static lock, and we use async away. And guess what? The problem's gone. Can't repro it anymore. Thank you, Shrey. Now that I know you made an account, what is account setup, Akira? I don't actually know what account setup is. What does it mean to have an account set up? I don't know what it means. I have no idea what it means. Account setup. Oh. Yeah, if they haven't... Wait a minute. I don't believe that. I don't believe you. Are you sure? Are you sure people aren't... Are you sure you're reading the right field? If filling out your username that's pre-populated is too much work, then boo you. Literally, all you need to do is fill in a. So Mark user is set up. Yeah, so that comes from the initial login. That comes from the initial login. So if you create an account, so where do I send new user created? No, that doesn't make any sense. Akira, we are sending the API alert after the field is literally set. So we don't send this notification until somebody sets up. So unless there are a couple other people who created an account and we never got the alert for them. Anyway, should we like do work today? We did everything but work today. I mean, that's not true. We very much did work today, but like Shrey, are you with us? Shrey, are you with us? Shrey, are you with us? Shrey, this goes out to you. What I'm about to show you. This goes out to you, guys. This one goes out to Shrey. Shrey thinks the onboarding's poor. Shrey thought the onboarding was poor. This one goes out to Shrey. You said there was too many steps. What? You literally said maybe because it's too many damn steps. I will send you the screenshot if I must. I don't remember what I said now. Anyway, this one goes out to Shrey either way. No matter what happens, Shrey, this one goes out to Shrey. Caught in 4K. Facts. Here we go. Here we go. This one goes out to Shrey. Oh, criminy. Welcome. This one goes out to Shrey. This is going to be you soon, Shrey. Welcome to Embedder. Let's create your first habit. Create and manage your habits. Create a new habit. Fill out your habits and notes. Fine tune with these options. When you are finished, create the habit. All custom built, by the way, Shrey. Custom built. Zero library used for all of this. Data driven also. Data driven. I can serve this from the server if I wanted to. Create. Behold, your first habit. Amazing work. Now that you've created your first habit, let's interact with it. Manage your daily habits from the Today tab. And that's as far as we've gotten. That's as far as we've gotten. Oh, I can't believe we didn't finish the tutorial today. Thank you. Thank you. That's why I shouted it out to you. From user where... Uh-oh, I hear the boy, guys. Oh, God, guys. How my username is fake pockets. I really got to stop testing in production, guys. This is getting dangerous. Delete from scheduled habit where user ID is 1004. Let's YOLO it. Okay. Hold on. This dude is upset. I'll be right back, guys. All right, I had to drop him off. That was supposed to premiere. Let's go. Appreciate the support, my friend. That guys, that was supposed to delete the data here. I'm a little nervous. I'm having a hard time. I'm not enjoying testing from prod anymore. Hopefully there's no data that shows up. Okay, this app's just breaking. If you flick too fast in an image carousel on Android, it just skips the image. Lurk on, my friend. I don't follow Shrey. You're saying if you swipe left to right too quickly on somebody's post with images, it doesn't show the image? Okay, here we go. I'll have to look into that. I'm not sure what's up with that. What user am I? I don't know what's going on here. Yeah, I know that has been a problem. That has been a problem. The heart hitbox. Account set up means they logged it. They actually like logged in. So Akira, on the admin page, if you are looking at that account setup field, that means anybody who is wait, where Akira, where on the admin page are you using the account setup page? The account setup field. Oh, okay. Because you said they're not set up, and I was assuming you meant because you saw it on the page. All right. Dude, what is good with this right now? Oh, yeah, which isn't a required field. So they're getting through the app without adding an image, which I would like them to have an image, but it's no big deal. All right. I don't understand how this user has a field. Unless this is in the code base. I don't know, that's just weird. Behold your first habit. Where is this thing coming from? It must be a planned task. It must be a planned task. I need some padding in the app header bar. Are we getting duplicate notifications or did we actually just get 2 new users? Duplicate notifications. Duplicate notifications. Okay. I'll have to look at this, right? That is interesting. So, do I have a planned task? Okay. Ah, crap. I'm over it. Uh, yeah, I 100% have a planned task, and that's why that one's still sitting there. Oh, I remember where we left off. Holy cow. We left off on damn Z indexes. Classic. All right, guys. Well, anyway, listen. We're not going to start now. We're basically at time. Um, we fixed every bug under the sun except for actually working on the tutorial. So tomorrow's another day. Let's hope we can dive in. Let's hope there's no more bugs. Thank you for everybody who helped find and report these bugs. Thanks for everybody who helped fix these bugs. Thanks for everybody who just stuck around and had a good time. It's an amazing time as always, guys. It's an amazing time as always. Louie, I hope you're out there doing well, Louie. I hope the love life's doing good for you. For those of you who don't know Louie, he usually keeps us abreast on his latest pursuits. It's always an exciting time when Louis pops in. Guys, seriously, thanks for everything. Thanks for everything. Let's go do a raid. Same time tomorrow, same time every single day. That's how we roll. Where we going? All right, Captain's got 150 people in there. Let's just cause some mayhem in there. Let's cause some mayhem in there. Again, thanks for everything, guys. Same time tomorrow. We will we'll fix the tutorial tomorrow. Scan the QR code if you're new here. And if you did create an account, try using the app. Try creating a habit. Try actually building it. You might just like it. You might just like it. You know, you've come far enough to at least create the account. Give it a try. See what you say. See what you think, and let me know your opinions and feedback if you have any.